Alright, welcome back. Took forever to freaking upload that crap, but I'm gonna try to work on all three of these right now. Panasonic, which has some battery issues if you watched my newest video. This one which has belt issues, and this one which has belt issues. So, I guess we should get into it. First, let's get the crappy batteries out of my pan of crap. I think that's part of the battery spring, dead serious. That's great. Junk. Did it rip a hole in the battery? No, it broke the spring off. It's that bad. Joke, dude. Well, from plans on getting this one working, I'm gonna have to do a lot more than I expected. Belt looks alright though from the backside. Let's start with the one that somebody loved, the General Electric Model 3-5279. Hope you don't hear my dog upstairs. This one has belt issues, it appears, and maybe some gummed up loading issues. At least the screws are coming out. Why would you? They hit a screw right under the play button. Oh, I almost destroyed the entire frame on this because that screw was hidden. Oh yeah, that belt's junk. This has got metal pulleys. Let's get the motherboard up. Swap that junk belt. Looks like this has corrosion in it. I don't know what this battery acid came from, but if you could see on that piece right there in the corner, it's also there. I don't know where this stuff is coming from. It probably came from other tape players, because they all seem to be junk. It's a good unit, though. Definitely do want to bring this one back to life. It's got a metal flywheel, which is pretty sweet. I didn't want to lift up the old tape, because I kind of liked it. I was hoping I could just keep it there. I guess I could put it back later, technically speaking. Oh, there's another screw that's under the tape. Okay, well, I can reinstall that, I guess. This belt is clearly junk. Oh wow, it's fused. It was fusing. It's fused to the flywheel like right there. Okay, well that's clearly the issue. Why it won't play? And it's also dry rotted. Yeah, that's garbage. It's the old belt. One of the two. Ground plate? That's kind of unique. Alright, there's another old belt. Alright, I'm gonna go get replacements for this. For my stash of belts. Perfect. It was just ironic that the first one I picked up was correct. Now comes the battle, finding the right size belt. That would work, I guess. Alright. Let's put these on it. That could affect the wildlife. I'm hoping not, though. I'm hoping not to. How comes the other part? I really actually just do it. It's almost gonna be too good to be true, though. Here we go. Yeah, watch me get the wrong belt. Oh, there's a new belt. I didn't think I'd get that lucky. This one I'm going to be proud of keeping. I do want to keep this one because it's actually a fairly nice one if I can route it. If I could route it correctly. There it is. Alright, let's put it back together. That wire is surprisingly strong and weird. That just fit in easy. That's always too good to be true, though. And if you know me, I'm going to be screwing this all back together because that's what I always do. And then it's going to fail me and I'm going to have to pull it apart again. This one went faster. Is it faster and not faster than I expected? I'll go here. Yeah. Yeah, it did. I'm going to pull that out of here because that's the most stuff. Alrighty. I guess I'll flip or test it over at my workbench. Alright. Grab this off the tripod. I'm gonna pause it. Alright. Let's see if the tape works. Got fast forward. We got play. At least it spins. Question is, does it work? Alrighty, where's my test tape at? Over here, where I forgot to grab it. Bruce Springsteen. Let's see. Alrighty, please. Please work. Sounds a little off. Also, there's a broken solder joint there. Not done yet, though. Guess let's heat up the soldering iron and fix that, reflow that jack. This should be fairly easy. I thought it was already at like 700. I was like, what the hell? Two points on it are cracked. Good job. That's perfect. Ignore that. That was all part of the video plan. Or the fact that I still have batteries in this, I'm just going to point out once I just noticed that myself. That works. Alright. I don't know if I have hopes for it, but that's pretty ballsy. Yeah, I can make it better. Pause. Resume. Alrighty. Come on, baby. We got a better test tape than this. I don't know how heavy, or I should say how thick that tape is. A lot of music. This one actually should have. What's the T? Will this one work? Eh. I'm gonna probably run it for a while. I think it's got potential to work. It's gonna need some love. She's worn out. The belt should be where the belts are alright. No, there's not the best torque though. But I'm gonna run it probably and give it time. Hopefully it'll just self-adjust. Let's hope. I just want this old girl to work again like she used to. Let's finish this thing up. I don't like how this one's freaking goes together. It annoys me. Good wire. This thing is wicked annoying to put back together. Well, I guess I'll let you go on this video. I'm gonna finish putting this back together. I'll come to you in the next one. Bye.